Unleash your potential. The power of positive thinking. Your mind is more powerful than you think. It's capable of incredible things, but sometimes we get in our own way. We let those negative thoughts creep in, those doubts and fears that hold us back from achieving our true potential. But what if I told you that you have the power to change that? What if you could rewire your brain for success by simply changing the way you think? In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of positive thinking to transform your life. We'll dive into 5 actionable steps you can start using today to unlock your full potential and achieve your biggest goals. Stay tuned, you'll want to hear this. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Our thoughts shape our reality. Every action starts with a thought. But thoughts are just thoughts. They don't control you unless you let them. Negative self-talk like, "I can't do this," makes it harder to succeed. Interrupt negative patterns with positive affirmations. Repeat powerful statements like, "I am capable, I am enough." Repetition makes your brain believe them, creating a new reality. Step 2. Focus on solutions, not problems. Life is full of challenges. It's how we respond to these challenges that truly defines us. When problems arise, it's easy to get caught up in the negativity, to fixate on what's going wrong, to complain and feel overwhelmed. But successful people, those who consistently overcome obstacles and achieve their goals, have a different mindset. They understand that dwelling on the problem won't get them anywhere. Instead, they focus on finding solutions. Train your mind to shift from a problem-focused mindset to a solution-oriented one. When challenges arise, instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask yourself, "What can I do to fix this?" This simple shift in perspective can be transformative. It empowers you to take control of the situation, to become proactive instead of reactive. Remember, every problem is an opportunity for growth, an opportunity to learn and find a better way forward. Chapter 3. Step 3. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is more than just good manners. It's a powerful emotion that can literally rewire your brain for happiness and success. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. You start to appreciate the good in your life, even amidst challenges. This doesn't mean ignoring the negative. It's about choosing to focus on the positive. It's about training your mind to see the good, the blessings, the opportunities that surround you every day. The best part is, practicing gratitude is simple. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Each morning or evening, take a few minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, a phone call with a loved one. The key is to cultivate a sense of appreciation for the good in your life, no matter how small. Chapter 4. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The people we surround ourselves with shape our reality. Negativity makes it harder to maintain a positive outlook. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Be mindful of what you consume. Choose content that inspires, motivates, and educates you. Chapter 5. Step 5. Visualize your success daily. Visualization is a powerful technique used by top athletes, successful entrepreneurs, and high achievers across the globe. It's not some mystical secret. It's about harnessing the power of your imagination to create the future you desire. Your brain has a remarkable ability to create what you focus on. When you vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to make it a reality. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself accomplishing your goals. Engage all your senses. See it, hear it, feel it. The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerful the impact. Whether it's acing that exam, getting that promotion, building a successful business, or even just living a healthier, happier life, visualize it with unwavering clarity and feel the emotions of success. By consistently visualizing your desired outcomes, you're aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals, making success inevitable. Unleash the power within. You've got this. Positive thinking is more than just a feel-good concept. It's a proven strategy for success. It's about rewiring your mindset, transforming your self-talk, and taking control of your thoughts and emotions. Remember, change takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Stay committed to these steps and watch as your life transforms in incredible ways. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Now go out there and make it happen. Stay tuned for more videos that will help you reach your full potential.